Going tear down crazy today. A little bit of a twofer, right, on this one. Let me zoom out some. Got a Bluetooth in-ear speaker. Ooh. And this little preamp that I got for headphones. I got it for my old phone in hopes that the speaker jack was not dicked and would actually keep it from scratching, but didn't work. I mean, it worked. It just didn't work because it was my phone head jack that was really dicky. And anyways, let's start with this. Really, I don't know why I'm tearing into this. I guess I'm just, that was easy, curious about the battery. Oh, look how cute it is. Tiny little baby battery. Yeah, it's unmarked. Who would have thought? Doesn't even have charge protection on it. Huh. That's totally not sketchy. Save that for later. A little baby microphone, a little electric. We'll save that for later too. It's all like conformally coated, but it's not. Oh wow. Just took one of the fucking lead covers off. That's alright. Wow, this thing just fell to shit quick. I guess it was only a couple bucks, so that does explain it. Little tiny speaker. Let's see what impedance is. I guess this would just be resistance, but oh, that's not supposed to stick. Come on, work with me. I don't want to get my probes out. No. 32 ohms. Okay, that makes more sense. I'll keep that. That's like the first 32 ohm speaker I found in the Coon's age. It's a little charging dock for it. Whatever. Yep, not a lot to it. MOSFET to drive the speaker. All-in-one Bluetooth and speaker driver, and there's the crystal. God, this conformal coating is gross. It's like fucking oil. I guess it's probably cheaper than actual conformal coating. They probably just dip it in some whale oil or something. Anyways, next one. I wasn't going to tear this down because I figured it was probably just a couple of Elm 358s or something shitty like that. But she's starting to bulge a bit. What was it? Yeah, she's got a bit of a belly on her now, so I figured it's now or never. Okay, that one doesn't want to come out. This is that. Not really. Okay, maybe not. Didn't really put much force on this. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh. Wow. That's impressive. Actually has a name on it. Charge protection. Wow. It wasn't the battery that's bulging. It's these. Looks like it's caps. Go look. Paint scraped off of it. Any 5532, those are actually really good audio amps. I mean, they're cheap as shit, but not as cheap as... No, wrong way. Come on. You don't want to zoom. There we go. I had to make it. What's that? Hold on, I gotta get a closer look with my old magnifying glass here because I'm blind as a bat. AEUE 707 Ti. Wow, it actually has Ti parts in it. There's a 4056, so oh, those sneaky bastards, though. Look. They didn't want you to know what that one is, so they drilled it. But it's 62. I know what that is. It's a LM4562. It's a really good op amp. I can't believe this thing was only like $7. That is impressive. Wow. Now the caps, they're stupid surface mount, so they're not marked, but it's really impressive. I might have to use this more. I don't know for what, but something. Oh no. Oh no. A cracked capacitor. Can you see that? Probably not. Son of a bitch. That's a fire waiting to happen. Man. I guess I can see what these are. What are ye? Itchy kinda. Allegedly. I don't know about that. Definitely don't know about that. On their gold ones, I'm pretty sure they have it marked like everywhere. Yeah, that's a little sus. But the markings on that and that look good. And that really doesn't have any markings. So I don't know why they'd get all TI shit and then one JRC. I believe that's a JRC number. 4056, maybe not. I don't know. But why only get rid of that one? Why? Why? I don't know. That's it.